Good morning children. I am Madhavi, KGB Vitada from Nellore district. In previous class, we discussed how to solve the simple equations in first exercise 1 and exercise 2, how to solve the linear equation by application method. Now we are going to the third exercise. Okay. Let us see. Seema, in this exercise, we can observe both sides on the variables. We have to solve these type of equations in this exercise. How do we solve? By using transposition method. Before that, we have to transfer the variables on left hand side and constants on right hand side. Before the solving, we have to transpose the all variables to the left hand side and all constant to the right hand side. Here, how many variables are there? 7x and 2x. Only one constant is there. So, minus 5 can move the right hand side. 2x is moved to the left hand side. That is 7x, 2x to the left hand side. Positive 2x is there. So, it will come to the left side. It will become minus 2x. Is equal to negative 5 is there. Moving to the right side, it will become positive 5. So 7x minus 2x, how much come? 5x is equal to 5. So 5x means, in previous class, we discussed 5x means 5 into x. So we have to find the x only. So 5 is multiplying here. So, it will go that side, it will become division. So, how many times it will go? 5 and 5 is cancelled. It is x is equal to 1. Okay, ma? Once again I am telling. In this exercise, we have to solve these type of equations. That means variables will come both sides and constants will come both sides. How do we solve? Before solving these type of exercises, these type of questions, we have to move the variables, all variables to the left hand side and all constants are right hand side. So here are 7x is a variable and 2x is one more variable to the right side. So moving to the left side, positive 2x will become minus 2x. Negative 5 is a constant. Moving to the right side, it will become positive 5. So 7x minus 2x is equal to 5x. Then is equal to 5. So 5x means 5 into x. Then x is equal to, multiplying here 5 and move to the right side, it will become division. So cancel. So x is equal to 1. Note it down now. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. Observe the question mark. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. Here, variables on the left side and right side also. Constants are the left side and right side also. How to solve? So, moving to the variables to the left side and constant to the right side. So, what is the variables here? 5x and 2x. What are the constants here? Minus 12 and minus 6. So, 2x will be coming to the left side, it will become a negative. So, 5x, positive 2x become minus 2x is equal to, here what is the constant here? Minus 6. Then minus 12 is constants on the left side. Moving to the right side, it will will become positive 12. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to, it is here minus 6 is negative and this one 12 is positive. How to solve? By the subtraction. So bigger number is 12 and 6 is small. So 12 minus 6, that is 6. So 3x means 3 into x. By using transposition method, 3 will be multiplied here and 6 is moving to the other side, that is become division. So cancel 3 ones are 3 2s are. So x is equal to 2. Once again I am telling 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. So variables are left side and right side also. Constants are left side and right side. How to solve? By using transposition method only. So moving to the variables to the, all variables moving to the left side, all constants moving to the right side. So 5x is on left side. Here 2x is equal to on right side. Moving to the left side, it will become negative. Is equal to, right side is minus 6 minus 12. Moving to that side is plus 12. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to, this is subtraction. So bigger number is positive and smaller number is 6 minus. So subtraction, 12 minus 6 is 6. 3x is equal to 6. 3x means 3 into x. By transposition method you have to find only x. So we need to keep on left side and variable only. So 3 into x is equal to 6 by 3 into x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3 is multiplying here. So it will go to the right side. It will become division. So 3 ones are 3 2s are. So x is equal to 2. Note it down now. Moving to the next question. See the one more question now. 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. Here also variables on the left side and right side also, and constants on the left side and also right side also. To solve the equation, this type of equation, we have to variables on the, keep on the variables on the left side and keep on the constants on the right side. So what is the variables here? 7p and 3p. What are the constants here? Minus 3 and plus 8. So we have to move the all variables to the left hand side. So left hand already 7p is there, and moving to the left side, 3p is a positive number. It will move to the left side, that is negative p minus 3p is equal to. So constant on right side, it already is there. So on left hand side, minus 3 is constant. So moving to the right side, it will become positive 3. So 7p minus 3p is 4p is equal to 8 plus 3, how much more? 11. So 4p means 4 into p. So we have to find only p. So we have to keep only p on left side. So p is equal to 4 is multiplying here and move to the right side. It will become division. So you can't cancel, you can't division. So 11 by 4 is answer. Once again I am telling 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. So variables on left hand or right side. Constants also left hand or right side. You have to solve this type of question. For this, you have to move all the variables to the left side, all the variables on the right side. So variables are 7p and 3p. You have to keep on left side. So positive 3p will become negative 3p. Minus 3 and 8 are constant. Move to the right side. Right side on 8 is already is there. So moving to the minus 3 to the right side, it will become plus 3. So 7p minus 3p. So how much? 4p. That is equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. So 4p means 4 into p. P is equal to 4 is multiplied here. Move it to the right side. It will become division. So 11 by 4. That is the answer. Note it down, ma. One more question. Exercise 3, fourth question. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. In previous problems like that, we have to move to the variables on the left side, constants on the right side. See, what is the variable here? 8m and 7m. What is the constants here? Minus 9 and plus 9 and plus 8. So we have to keep the variables on the left side. So already left hand side is 8m is there. So moving to the 7m on the left hand side. So minus 7m is equal to, already right hand side constant is there, that is 8, positive 8. So left hand side constant is plus 9. Moving to the right side, it will become negative 9. So 8m minus 7m. How much? 1m. We can't write 1m. We have to write only m. 1m is m only. So 8 minus 9. Which one is bigger? 9. So negative 9. So we have to subtract 9 minus 1. How much? 1. But we can have negative numbers. So minus 1. This is the answer. Once again I am telling, 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. We have to solve these type of questions. We have to move the all variables to the left hand side, constants on the right hand side. So variables are 8m and right hand side is 7m. Moving to the left hand side, positive 7m will become minus 7m is equal to, right hand side already is constant is there, 8. So left hand side constant is plus 9. Moving to the right side, it will become minus 9. So 8 minus means how much? Minus 1. 8m minus 7m, that is 1m. Not, we can't write 1m. We have to write only m. 1m means m only. So m is equal to minus 1. Note it down, ma. See one more question and another model. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. See the difference between previous and this one. What is the previous? Variables and constants, left hand and right hand side. But here, right hand side, one more 5 bracket x minus 2 is there, like that model. So how do we solve? So removing the bracket. How to remove? We have to multiply with the 5 to x and 5 with 2. So we have to multiply 5 with x and 5 with 2 to remove the bracket first. So 3x plus 4 is equal to, we have to remove, first we have to remove bracket. So multiply with 5. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 2, 10. See, ma, previous problem like this, no? So 3x is a variable and 5x is variable. Two constants, two variables are there. And left hand side, right hand side also. So to solve the equation, we have to keep the variables on the left hand side. We have to keep the right hand side of constants. So variables are, left hand side is 3x and right hand side is 5x. So this is the positive. Moving to the left side, it will become negative 5x. 5x is equal to. Right hand side is minus 10. Moving to the plus 4 to the right hand side, it will become negative 4. So 3x minus 5x is 3x minus 5x is, so 5x is bigger one. So 3x is smaller one. So bigger symbol is negative. So 5 minus 3 is 2. But we have to keep negative 2 here. Minus 2x is equal to minus 10 and minus 4. Both are same symbols. So we have to add 10 plus 4, 14. So we have to keep negative 14. Negative 14. So minus 2x means minus 2 into x. So we have to find only x here. Moving to the minus 2 on the right hand side. So minus 14 by 2 in division. Minus 2. Minus minus will cancel. In 2 table 14 is 7 times. So x is equal to 7. One more, I am telling once more. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. To solve these type of equations, we have to remove the bracket here. We have to remove the bracket. For this, we have to multiply which number in before the bracket. So, how much number here? 5. So, we have to multiply with 5. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 2, 10. So, in previous problem like this. So, how do we solve? Moving to the variables on the left side. Moving to the constants on right side. So, variables are 3x and 5x. 5x in right side. Moving to the left side, it will become negative 5 minus 5x. Minus 10 already is on right side. Plus 4 on left hand side. Moving to the right side, it will become negative 4. So 3x minus 5x. We can't subtract. We have to subtract 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. But bigger number have negative. So negative 2. X is equal to. Both are same symbols. So we can add. Minus 10 and minus 4 is minus 14. So minus 2x is equal to minus 14. We have to find only x. So we have to keep only x on left hand side. So minus 2 will go that side and it will become division. So minus 14 by minus 2. In 2 table 7 times. Minus minus will be cancelled. So x is equal to 7. Note it down now. Moving to the next question. See here? This is also same model. 3 bracket means into 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. Before going to the solve, we have to remove the brackets here. Before going to the solve, we have to remove the brackets. How do we remove? By multiplying with 3 here, by multiplying with 5 here. So, multiplying with 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, that is 3 into t, that is 3t, 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 3s are 9, is equal to 5 into 2t. So, now we can multiply with numbers, 5 into 2, 10 and t, 10t minus 5 into 1, that is 5. 3 into t, 3t, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10, t, 5 into 1, 5. So, previous problem like this. So, how to solve? Moving to the variables on left side, constants on the right side. So, left side 3t already is there, right side 10t. So, it is positive. Moving to the left side, it will become negative t, 10t is equal to. So, right hand side, constant is minus 5. So, left hand side minus 9. With the symbol we have to take minus 9. So, minus 9. Moving to the right side, it will become positive 9. Positive 9. So, 3t minus 10t. We can't subtract 3 minus 10. we can subtract 10 minus 3. So 10 is the bigger number. So 10 minus 3 is 7, but 10 have negative. So negative 70 is equal to. So which one is bigger? Positive 9 or 5? So one is negative and one is positive. We have to subtract. So 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, that is 4. Minus 70 means minus 7 into t. We have to find only t here. T is equal to minus 7 is multiplying here, and we move that side, it will become division. So minus 7. So t is equal to minus 4 by 7. Once again I am telling, to solve this type of model of equations, first we have to multiply with the bracket before the number. So which one is before the bracket 3, and here before the bracket is 5. So we have to multiply with 3 on left side, we have to multiply with 5 on right side. For solving these type of questions, we have to remove bracket here. So 3 into t, 3t minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 into 2, 10. Already t is there. 5, 2t, 5 into 10, 2 is 10, t is there. Minus 5 ones are 5. For solving these type of questions in previous problem like this. So we have to move the variables, all variables to the left hand side, constants on the right hand side. So right hand side variable is 10t, move it to the left side, minus 10t. Right hand side minus 5 already is there. So left hand side minus 9 is constant. So moving to the right side, it will become positive 9. So 3t minus 10t, that means 10 minus 3, that is 7. 10 have a negative, so negative symbol we have to keep. 70 is equal to, so positive 9 or minus 5. So we have to subtract here. So 9 minus 5, that is 4. We have to find only t here. So moving to the minus 7 on the right hand side, it will become division. 4 by minus 7. Note it down now. Moment. Same model. 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. We have to remove the first brackets. We have to remove the brackets here. So to solve the equation, we have to remove the first brackets. So for that, I have to multiply with 5 here, and right side is we multiply 3. So 5 into p, 5 into p, 5p, 5 into 3. So that is 15 is equal to 3 into p, 3p minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2, that is 6. So variables are left and right side, constants are left and right side. So to solve the equation, so move all variables on left side, all constants are right hand side. So 5p on left side. So moving to the right side, left hand side, 3p will become minus 3p is equal to, right hand side is minus 6. So constant number is negative 15. Moving to the right side will become positive 15. Positive 15. So 5p minus 3p, how much now? That is 2p is equal to. So negative 6 is there, positive 15 is there. We have to subtract. So which one is bigger? 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. So p is equal to 2p means 2 into p. So we have to find only p. So moving to the right side 2, it will become division. So we can't division. In the table 9 is there. So keep it like that only. P is equal to 9 by 2. Once again I am telling, 2. P minus 3 is equal to 3 into P minus 2. For this solution, we have to solve these type of solutions. We have to remove the bracket first here. We have to remove bracket. For this, we have to multiply before the bracket which number we have. So 5 is there and 3 is on right hand side. We have to multiply 5 with P minus 3. We have to multiply 3 with P minus 2. So 5 into P, 5P, 5 into 3, 15 is equal to 3 into P, 3P minus 3 2s are 6. So move into the all variables to the left side, all constants on the right side. So 5P already is there. So 3P on right side. So move into the left side, minus 3P will come. So already minus 6 on right side. Minus 15 in left side. Moving to the right side, it become positive 15. So 5P minus 3P is 2P is equal to 15 is positive and minus 6 is negative. So subtraction will be come. So 15 minus 6 that is 9. So we have to find only P now. So P is equal to multiplying 2 is here. It will go to the right side. It will become division. So 9 by 2. So P is equal to 9 by 2. Now take down now. Move to the next question. One more problem now. See. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 7 into x plus 1. See this question. More brackets are there. So previous problem like this only, we have to remove the first brackets. We have to remove brackets first. So we have to remove first brackets now. That's why I'm multiplying with 15 here. I'm multiplying with 4 here. I'm multiplying with 2 here. Okay. So 15 into x. 15x minus 15 into 1. 15 into 1. 15 plus 4 into x. 4 into x means 4x plus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 into 7. 14 plus 2 into x. 2x. Okay. Like previous problem, we have to solve same order, but more brackets is there. That is the only difference. Okay. So 15 into x, 15x, 15 into 1, 15 plus 4 into x, 4x, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 2 into x, 2x. In previous problem like this only. So how to solve? All variables move into the left side, all constants are moving to the right side. So what are the variables here? Minus 15x and 4x and right hand side is positive 2x. So keep on left side all variables. 15x and one more variable is 4x. So symbol is positive. So plus 4x. So right hand side is positive 2x. So moving to the left side, it will become negative 2x is equal to. So keep on constants are right hand side. What is the constants here? 14 and 12 and minus 5, 15. So first we have to write right hand side on the 14. 14 already is right hand side. So on left hand side minus 15 is there. Moving to the right side is, it will become positive 15. And one more constant is there, that is positive 12. Moving to the right side, it will become negative 12. See, 15 plus 4x minus 2x is equal to 14 plus 15 minus 12. We have to solve these linear equation. How to solve? By reducing the variables, by reducing the constants. So 15x and 4x. How much from 15 plus 4? 19. 19 minus 2x, that is 17. So, to solve these variables, we get 17 here. So, one more. 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 minus 12. 29 minus 12. How much we get? 17. So, 17. So, we have to find only x here. We don't want 17. So, 17 is multiplied here. Moving to the right side, it will become division. So, how many times? Both will be cancelled. So, 7x is equal to 1. Get only 1. Once again, I am telling you in previous problem only. But here, what is the difference in previous one and this one? There is more brackets are there on left hand side and right hand side. Model is same. So, to find these type of question, these type of equations, you have for these type of equations, you have to remove the brackets first. So, for that, you have to multiply before the bracket, which number we have. So, 15 is there and 4 is there and 2 is there. So, we have to multiply x minus 1 with 15. X plus 3 with 4. 7 plus x with 2. So, 15 into x. 15 into x, 15x minus 15 into 1, 15 plus 4 into x, 4x. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 2 into x, 2x. To solve this type of equation, we have to keep on the variables on the left hand side, keep on the constants on the right hand side. What is the variable? 15x, 4x and 2x. So moving to the left hand side. So 15 already left hand side is there. So 4x also left hand side is there. So minus plus 2x is on right hand side. Moving to the left hand side, it will become negative 2x is equal to. So constants are right hand side. So what is the constant here? Plus 14. So minus 15 on left hand side. Moving to the right hand side, it will become plus 15. So positive 12 is there on left hand side. Moving to the right side, it will become minus 12. So to solve these one, we have to reduce, subtraction with and addition is there. So we have to solve these variables. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 minus 2 is 17 is equal to 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 minus 12 is 17. So we have to we need only x here. So we don't want 17. Moving to the right side, it will become division. So 17 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1. Note it down. Moving to the next question. See this problem now. This is look like a previous model. More brackets is there now. So for this we have to remove the brackets first. For this we have to multiply the number which having the before the bracket. So we have to multiply with 3 with 5z minus 7. We have to multiply 2 with 9z minus 11. We have to multiply with 4 8z minus 7. So 3 into 5z, 3 5s are 15z minus 3 7s are 21 plus 2 9s are 18z minus 2 11s are 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32z minus 4 7s are 28 minus 111. It looks like a previous model. So for this, how to solve? Moving to the all variables on the left hand side, moving to the all constants on the right hand side. So variables on the left hand, 15z and plus 18z, and right hand side is 32z. So moving to the left side, it will become negative 32z is equal to. So constants, what are they? Minus 21 and minus 22 and minus 28 and minus 111. So keep on the right hand side, minus 28 is there already, minus 111 is there already. So minus 21 and minus 22 is on left hand side. Moving to the right side, it will become positive 21 and positive 22. Positive 22. For this, we have to solve 15 and plus 18 is both are positive numbers and 32 is negative. We have to add first positive numbers. 15 and 18. How much? 13 and 3. 33 z. So we have to 33 and the negative is minus 32. So subtract 32. So how much? 1. So we can't write 1z. So z is equal to. So what are the negative and positive numbers also? Okay, no. So what are the negative numbers? Minus 28 and minus 111. So first we have to add negative numbers. Then positive numbers. Then we will subtract. So minus 111 and minus 22. So both are same symbols. So we have to add 9 to 1, 3, 1. So negative 139. And positive 21 and 22. How much more? 3, 4, 43. So which one is bigger? Negative one is bigger. So we have to subtract 43. So how much? 9 minus 3, that is 6. 13. 3 minus 4, we can't subtract. So take 1. 13 minus 4, that is 9. So negative minus 96. No, negative minus 96. So that is equal to minus 96. And second understanding, it looks like a previous problem. More brackets will come. So need not to worry. We have to remove the first brackets. We have to remove first brackets. So for this, we have to multiply before which number we have on the bracket. So 3 5s are 15 z minus 3 to 7 21 plus 2 9s are 18 z minus 2 11s are 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32 z minus 4 7s are 28 minus 111. So we have to solve. How do we have to solve? So moving to the all variables on the left side, all constants on the right side. What are the variables here? 15z and 18z and 32z. So 15z and 18z are already on left hand side. So we have to write same. So 32 is on right hand side. Moving to the left side, that it will become a negative 32. So is equal to right side already minus 28 and minus 111 is there. So what are the numbers on left hand side? Minus 21 and minus 22. Moving to the right side, it will become positive 21 and positive 22. So to solve the variables, we have to addition and subtraction. What are the additions are numbers? 15 and 18. So 15 and 18 is 33. So remaining the 32 is 1. So can't write 1 z. So z is equal to. So negative numbers are minus 28 and minus 111. So 111 and 28 both are symbol same. So we have to add. So we get 139. So 21 plus 22 is positive numbers. We have to add positive numbers here. So 43 and 43 came. But we have to subtract. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. So for solving these total numbers, we have to go subtract. So minus 139 plus 43. So how much we get? Minus 96. So z is equal to minus 96. Note it down now. Moving to the next question. Eight into x minus 3 is equal to minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. See the mark? It's look like a previous problem. We have to remove the brackets first. So 8 into x, 8x minus 8 into 3, 8 is 24 minus, we have to multiply with, there is no number, we have to multiply with minus, so negative number, we have to multiply with negative number. So minus into 6, minus into minus, it will become positive, minus into minus plus, so 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5 5s are 25 minus into minus, that is it will become plus 5 into x, 5x. Once again I am telling 8 into x, 8x, 8 into 3, 8 is 24. So there is no number. Before bracket negative is there. So minus into 6, minus into minus plus 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4. So minus 5 is there. So minus 5 into 5, that is 5 5s are 25, minus is there. So minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. To solve the type of questions, we have to keep on the variables on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. So what are the variables here? 8x, 2x and 2x and 5x, both sides. So already 8x and 2x is left hand side. So 8x and 2x is a positive plus 2x. So right hand side 2x is positive, move into the left hand side it will become negative minus 2x plus 5x is on right hand side. Move into the left hand side it will become minus 5x is equal to. So what are the variables on right hand side? Positive 4 and negative 25. So what are the constants? What are the constants are left hand side? Minus 24 and minus 6. So minus 24 will become right side, it will become positive 24. So minus 6 will become plus 6. Plus 6. So how to solve? So by the subtraction. So 8x plus 3x, that is 10x. 10x minus 2, that is 8x. 8x minus 5, that is 3x. So 3x. Both are two variables are positive, two variables are negative. So we can add this one, we can add also this one. 8 plus 2 is 10, positive 10, and minus 5 and minus 2 are negative. So we can add. So minus 2 and minus 5 is negative 7. So how to solve? By subtraction. Plus 10 minus 7 is positive 3. So like that we have to solve answer. Is equal to. So what are the numbers? Positive are plus 4, plus 24 and plus 6. So 4, 34 and 6. How much? 10, 14, that is 34. So positive 34 and here negative 25. So we have to subtract 25. How much? Take borrow. 14 minus 5, that is 9. So how much will get? 9. So we have to find only x here. So x is equal to, we don't want 3. By transposition method, 3 is multiplied here and move that side, it will become negative. Sorry, division. So how many times it will go? 3 times. So x is equal to 3. Once again I am telling. So more brackets is there. For solving these type of questions, we have to remove brackets first. So removing the brackets, before which number we have to multiply the number with that expression. So 8 with multiply x minus 3. Here no number is there. We have to multiply with only symbol, that is minus with 6 minus 2x. We have to multiply 2 with x plus 2 with minus 5 with 5 minus x. Okay. So 8 into x, 8x, 8 3s are 24, minus into 6, minus 6, minus into minus, plus 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4, minus 5 into 5s are 25, minus 5 with minus x, that is minus into minus will become plus. So plus 5 into x, 5x. So all variables moving to the left side, all constants moving to the right side. So variables are 8x, 2x and 2x and 5x on right side. So keep on the left side. Already left side is 8x and 2x is there. So 8x positive 2x. So right hand side 2x and positive 5x. Moving to the left side, it will become negative. So minus 2x plus 5x will become minus 5x is equal to left hand side constants are plus 4 and minus 25. Left hand side is minus 24 and minus 6. Moving to the right side, it will become positive. So to solve, variables are 4. Okay. So we have to solve positive. We have to add 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3x is equal to positive numbers are 4 and 24 and 6. So 3 positive numbers came. We have to add 3 numbers. How much we get? 34. We have to subtract negative 24. Negative 25. So how much we get? 9. So 3x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to, we don't want 3. We have to find only x. So move to the right side, it will become division. So 9 by 3. So how many times it will go? 3 times. X is equal to 3. Note it. This is the homework. We will meet the next class. Thank you.